To get YouTube TV on your television, you will need a few basic pieces of equipment and a stable internet connection. First, ensure your TV is a smart TV with built-in internet capabilities or that you have a streaming device such as a Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire TV, or Apple TV. Next, you will need to sign up for a YouTube TV account. This can be done directly on the YouTube TV website or through the YouTube TV app on your mobile device or streaming device. If you are using a mobile device or streaming device, download and install the YouTube TV app. Then follow the on-screen instructions to sign up for an account. Once you have a YouTube TV account, you can access it on your TV in several ways. If your TV is a smart TV, you can download the YouTube TV app directly from the TV's App Store. If you have a streaming device, you can download the YouTube TV app from the device's App Store. After downloading the YouTube TV app, launch it and sign in with your account credentials. You will then be able to browse the various channels and content available on YouTube TV, including live TV, sports, and on-demand shows and movies. One of the key features of YouTube TV is its ability to stream live TV to your devices, allowing you to watch your favorite shows and sports teams in real time. YouTube TV also includes a cloud DVR, which allows you to record shows and movies and store them in the cloud for later viewing. In addition to streaming on your TV, you can also access YouTube TV on your mobile device or tablet, allowing you to take your favorite shows and sports teams with you on the go. To do this, simply download the YouTube TV app on your mobile device or tablet, sign in with your account credentials, and start streaming. Overall, getting YouTube TV on your TV is a straightforward process that requires a smart TV or streaming device, a stable internet connection, and a YouTube TV account. By following these steps, you can start streaming your favorite shows and sports teams in no time.